Attention mortgage Mavericks! Are you ready to break free from the ordinary and skyrocket your closings with the power of AI? Imagine ads so compelling that your clients can't help but stop scrolling and start dialing. We're here to transform your approach with the sharpest rates and service that shines brighter than the rest. Join us to become the mortgage broker of choice, where excellence meets innovation. Let's not just close deals, let's create legends. Step into the future with us. Compare, convert, create. Being the Change, LLC stands as a beacon of innovation in the mortgage brokerage landscape. With Adriane at its helm as an AI genius and a visionary mortgage broker, our mission transcends the conventional boundaries of real estate transactions. Venturing into a realm where passion, innovation, and a deep-seated belief in the power of individual action converge to redefine what's possible. Our philosophy. At the heart of Being the Change, LLC is a core value that resonates through every aspect of our operations. The conviction that individuals driven by passion can indeed forge a new path and create a better world. Our journey has been enriched by collaborations with visionaries, both celebrated and unsung, who have dared to dream and act towards making substantial changes, big and small, in the world around them. Our role in the world. We position ourselves not just as a mortgage brokerage, but as a catalyst for transformation. Our approach deviates from traditional transactional relationships. We're not about fitting into predefined boxes or simply getting the job done. Instead, we embody the spirit of change. Channeling our expertise and innovative AI revenue multipliers to empower real estate professionals and, by extension, their clients to envision and realize a future without limits. Our tribute, Being the Change, LLC, is a homage to the Mavericks, the rebels, the thinkers who see the world not for what it is, but for what it could be. Our existence is a tribute to those who have left an indelible mark on the fabric of humanity. Yes, stamped from the beginning, but owned it. Designed their reality overcoming limiting faith, family fears, fitness, and finance, some of whom have passed on, yet their legacies live through initiatives that echo their groundbreaking thoughts and actions. We believe that if these trailblazers were to choose a program in today's world, it would align with the innovation and foresight of an AI genius. Our message: we celebrate the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, for they are the ones who see things differently, unbound by conventions, and with a disdain for the status quo. These individuals challenge, disrupt, and innovate. They are the ones who refuse to be ignored, for their actions and ideas propel humanity forward. In their defiance, their creativity, and their relentless pursuit of progress, we find our inspiration. Our vision, Being the Change, LLC, is more than a mortgage brokerage. It's a movement towards embracing and fostering change. We champion the belief that those who are bold enough to envision a different world are the ones who bring it to fruition. We invite you to think differently, to join us in this journey of transformation, where together we can redefine the future of real estate and beyond. Here's to the dreamers, the doers, the believers in change. Welcome to Being the Change, LLC, where your vision for a better world finds its home, and your capacity to make a difference is limitless. Being the Change, because we care. Think different. I can, I will, I must, let's go.